Welcome back MH Car Review, and oh my goodness, what you are looking at right now is not a house, it is not a hotel, it is a vehicle, and it is one of the most jaw-dropping, mind-blowing machines that has ever rolled on four wheels. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are doing a full deep dive review of the 2026 ultra-luxury double-decker Mega RV, and I promise you, by the end of this video your jaw is going to be on the floor. So if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And let us get straight into it. Now the very first thing that hits you when you see this beast in person is that gold and champagne chrome exterior. And I am not exaggerating when I say this thing stops traffic. The entire body is finished in a deep metallic gold with polished chrome body panels that catch the sunlight in a way that makes it look like it was literally dipped in liquid gold. The aerodynamic front fascia is extremely aggressive. You have got a massive panoramic curved windshield that wraps right around the cockpit, giving the driver an almost fishbowl-style field of vision that is unlike anything you have ever seen on a road vehicle. The LED headlight clusters are razor-sharp with full-ring daytime running lights, and the chrome front bumper and grille are absolutely immaculate. Moving down the side, you have got enormous 26-inch multi-spoke polished chrome alloy wheels sitting under wide-body fender flares with low-profile high-performance tires that hug the ground and give this rig an incredibly wide and planted stance. The external staircase on the driver's side is illuminated with LED step lighting, and it flows up to the upper deck perfectly. At the rear, you have got a full panoramic glass wall that gives you a preview of the luxury inside, wraparound LED tail lights, and a rear open balcony deck with glass safety railings. This exterior is pure theater, and it commands every single road it drives on. Now let us get inside, because honestly, the interior of this 2026 Mega RV is where things go from impressive to absolutely unreal. The moment you step through those wide double-entry doors, you are greeted by a living space that rivals the finest five-star hotel suites in the world. The main lounge area features a large L-shaped sectional sofa in premium cream leather, a marble effect floor with underfloor heating, and an 85-inch 8K entertainment screen built into a custom feature wall with ambient LED backlighting. The ceilings have full recessed cove lighting that you can change colors on through the smart home control panel, and there is a fully stocked minibar with backlit shelving. From the lounge, you slide through to the chef-grade kitchen, and this is a proper kitchen. We are talking Italian marble countertops with gold veining, integrated stainless steel appliances, a professional-grade range hood, a built-in espresso machine, a wine cooler with a glass front, and deep undermount sinks with designer gold faucets. Moving through to the master bedroom, you have a king-size floating platform bed with a tufted leather headboard, silk bedding, custom wardrobes with full-length mirrors, and most importantly, panoramic windows on both sides so you wake up with whatever incredible landscape surrounds you. The bathroom is a full spa suite, freestanding soaking tub, a rain shower with body jets, double vanity with a backlit mirror, heated marble floors, and a bidet toilet. And then upstairs via that external staircase, you have got a rooftop outdoor lounge deck with teak flooring, all-weather sofas, a retractable shade awning, outdoor speakers, and a 360-degree view of wherever you have parked this incredible machine. The entire interior is smart home integrated, meaning you control climate zones, blinds, lighting, entertainment, and security all from a centralized touchscreen panel or from your phone remotely. This is not RV living. This is presidential suite living on wheels. Let us talk about what is powering all of this. Under the hood. This 2026 Mega RV is built on a heavy-duty reinforced chassis. With a 605 horsepower diesel engine mated to an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission. That power output gives it smooth and effortless highway cruising even at its significant size and weight. It comes equipped with a full air suspension system that automatically levels the vehicle when parked and delivers an incredibly smooth, almost car-like ride quality. On the move. For safety and driver assistance, you get adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, a collision mitigation system, hill descent control, and a full 360-degree camera system, so parking this beast is far less intimidating than you might expect. The vehicle also supports integrated solar panel roof charging and an advanced onboard lithium-ion battery management system, meaning it can run fully off-grid for extended periods without any external power source. That is a genuine game changer for luxury long-distance travel. Now the question everyone is waiting for: what does something like this actually cost? Well, depending on your configuration and the level of customization you choose, the 2026 Ultra Luxury Mega RV starts at approximately $1.5 million at the base level. Fully loaded bespoke builds with custom paint, the finest interior materials, extended solar systems, and every available tech package can push that figure past $2.5 million. Yes, that is a number that puts it firmly in the territory of superyachts and private jets, but when you consider everything this vehicle offers, many of its owners would argue that it is genuinely worth every single penny. So there you have it, the most complete review of the 2026 Ultra Luxury Mega RV you will find anywhere on YouTube. This machine is not just a vehicle, it is a statement, a lifestyle, and honestly one of the greatest engineering and design achievements in the history of road travel. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, drop a comment below telling me what you think, and subscribe to MH Car Review for more incredible content just like this one every single week. Until next time, stay tuned and keep driving in style.